Alright, so today we're going to talk about creating a Fire Flames themed application. Fire Flames. Excuse the misspelling. It should actually be Fire Flames, not File Flames. So that's something that I'll obviously fix. I'm going to again, I'm using an image that I do not own. However, I'm using it as an example of an image, and that you could obviously create your own and upload into the Google Play Store or third-party platform. So I'm going to call it Forest on Fire. Oops. I'm going to take the image, keep it in a standard test folder. Oh, I don't see it here, so let's try to find it here. And here we go. Again, I'm choosing the advanced option just so that you can see the option of either keeping the default package name or changing the package name to anything you want. You can call it com.forestonfire.theme application. It really doesn't matter. I'm just keeping this to keep it simple, keeping the version number. And I typically do this on most of my apps. I just let this stay the same, and I let the application maker choose this for me, so I don't have to deal with the headache of having to choose my own, and it saves time. So I'm going to enable screenshots. Type in the security code here, and now I'm going to go ahead and create my Fire wallpaper application. And simply is creating, as you can see, fire in the background there, some of the images, so it looks like the fire. So you can actually use these screenshots, or you can create your own. Now again, these are just screenshots I would use in the beginning until I have my design team create a detailed, a more eye-catching design specifically for Google. So here you go. You can take the APK file and you can save it. You can use it without the ads, or you can go ahead and you can press the bonus feature and you can integrate the ad of your choice into the APK file. So we're going to go ahead and do that now. And for this test, I'm going to go ahead and use Start App again. Just want to test them, and I'm going to go ahead and integrate Start App Ad into this application, and then we're going to go ahead and test this on your phone before. Now, I always suggest testing on your phone before you upload into any Google Play or third-party store, just to make sure it works. So I'm simply going to take the Start App ID and Publisher ID, and I'm going to go ahead and just choose everything that is Start App, and as you can see, it automatically integrates. So it does all that work for you. You can just make sure here's another Start App. I don't think there's any Start Apps here. These are for different networks. No, nothing there. So we can hide that. And go ahead and finish that up here. And Start App, there's no Start App on the intro ad. Just making sure. Let's turn that off. And there we go. Did I miss it? Let me see something. I just want to make sure. Oh, there it was there. Excuse me. Okay, so, and there's no other Start Apps here. No Start App options, excuse me. Let's go ahead and confirm that I am the owner of the app, the owner of the images. And let's integrate this sucker. So it's just building it, and then we're going to go ahead and test it. So once this builds, we will go ahead and take the APK, and we will test it on our phone to see if it is good to go. And we're going to go ahead and save it. Okay, so the APK was created with the Start App Start app ad in it. So now what we're going to do is I went ahead and saved it onto my computer. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to test it on my phone. So I'm going to go ahead and test this right now, just to make sure that everything looks good and that the app is ready to go. So simply just install the application on your phone, take a look at it, and make sure it looks good. I'm going to set the live wallpaper. Now, as you can see, there's an ad right up there. And there's a few ads that pop up, so you know that the Google approved app, the Google approved ad is placed in there correctly and looking good. As you can see up here as well, so you want to set live wallpaper. Scroll down, you see the forest on fire. You want to click that, or simply just press that. And here you go. You have yourself forest on fire. Oops, battery's dying. But this just gives you the picture, gives you a good idea. And of course, you can go to your settings screen, and again, more ads will pop up. That's okay. That means you're making money. And you can change all sorts of stuff. You can change the size of the flame. You want to make it smaller. You want to make it faster. You can turn off the touch mode on the screen. You can turn it on. You can turn off random flames. You can even choose the speed of the flames. Let's say make it slow. And just kind of give you more options. And it also gives the user more options when they install your application, and generates more installs and more positive user reviews. So then you just simply set this as a wallpaper, press the back button, and you have a wallpaper, a live motion wallpaper, created in just under about 5 minutes with ads. So congratulations, and you can just see how easy using Invisible Ad Machine is creating ads and apps.